Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 bicycle repair stand. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected aluminum alloy bike repair stand. Specifications: model RS100, main material aluminum alloy, item weight 5.7 kilograms, max load 60 pounds, clamp application 25 to 55 millimeters, package weight 6.0 kilograms, 13.23 pounds, max load 60 pounds, clamp application 25 to 55 millimeters. The item number 2 is bike rack holder storage bicycle repair stand. Specifications: brand name, Think, Rider. Model, RS100. Main material, aluminum alloy. Item weight, 5.7 kilograms. Max load, 60 pounds. Clamp application, 25 to 55 millimeters. On the top of our list at number 1 we have West Biking Professional Bike Repair Stand. Specifications: brand name, West Biking. Origin, CN origin. Type, parking racks. Material, alloy. Size, adjustable length. Braking system, bike repair stand. Capacity, load, 38.6 kilograms. Model number, YT0719237. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.